We'll guide you through how to lock sheet in Google Sheets. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open Google Sheets in your computer or laptop browser. Next, open the existing spreadsheet that you want to protect from unwanted editing. After the spreadsheet loads, make sure you are currently viewing the correct worksheet inside the file. Before applying any protection settings, review the data inside the sheet carefully. This step is important so you understand what content needs to remain protected. Then look at the sheet tabs located at the bottom of the screen. These tabs represent the different sheets available in the spreadsheet. Click on the sheet tab that you want to lock. After clicking it, ensure that the correct sheet is active before moving forward. Next, move your cursor to the top menu bar of Google Sheets. From the menu options, click on the Data menu. After the drop-down menu appears, look for the option called Protect Sheets and Ranges. Click this option to open the protection settings. When you click it, a side panel will appear on the right side of the screen where protection rules can be configured. Inside this panel, click the option labeled Add a Sheet or Range Protection. After selecting it, choose the sheet option instead of the range option, since you want to lock the entire sheet. Confirm that the correct sheet name is displayed in the panel. If necessary, you can enter a short description for the protection rule so it is easier to identify later. Once the correct sheet is selected, click Set Permissions to continue. A new dialog box will appear showing different permission settings. Here you can decide who is allowed to edit the sheet. Choose only you if you want the sheet to be completely locked for everyone else. After setting the permissions, review the settings carefully to ensure they match your intended restrictions. When everything looks correct, click Done to apply the protection rule. The sheet will now be protected from editing by unauthorized users. If you ever need to remove the protection, return to the Protect Sheets and Ranges panel and click the trash icon next to the rule. Finally, review your sheet once again to confirm the protection works correctly. Remember that all changes are saved automatically in Google Sheets.